Oh. Yeah, that's how we sneeze in the Bronx, even though I'm in Memphis. Oops, almost, I don't know what I did just now. You like my Justin Bieber / Mexican mushroom? Yeah, and this is what happens when you're bored. Waiting for a cab to go to downtown Memphis. Yeah, right now. Okay.